Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video. As you can see, Torras was kind enough to send me out a case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the Torras Lstand Gear for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is in the color black. So let's just open it up like so. Let's see what we are greeted with. The case. You get your let's start a wonderful journey. It says Torras. Then you get your QR code for your warranty, and then at the top here it does give their support email address if you have questions. So this is what the case is looking and feeling like. It feels very light in the hand, no problem. And it has that little kickstand over the camera bump, as you can see. So now let's pick up my iPhone 15 Pro Max, throw that bad boy in there like so. This looks good. You have a nice amount of lippage for dropping your phone flat down on the face on a table. Down here you get nice access to your power button, no problem. Coming to the bottom here, all your cutouts that you're supposed to have are good, cut out fairly decent. They are not sloppy cutouts, they're perfect. Over here it will say Torras, and on this side you do get your action button. You get your volume up and down buttons, nice clicky. At the top you don't get anything. At the back you do get that nice deep lip for your camera cutout, because this doubles as a kickstand. And I know if you place it flat on the back, you are going to be good to go, because it is nice and deep. The camera sits deep in the inside. You get your MagSafe ring indicating this is MagSafe capability. It has MagSafe capability. Like I said, it has that kickstand, so you can use your device like this if you would like to watch videos or watch YouTube. So now let's test out the charging. Let's bring my MagSafe wireless charger in. Just like that, you get MagSafe charging. Of course you would, because it has MagSafe on the back. Don't worry, don't fret if you do not have a MagSafe capable wireless charger. You can also wireless charge it just like that. But if you do not have a wireless charger at all, don't worry, there's another solution. You have your USB Type-C charging cable that fits just like that. So pretty much you get 3 different ways you can charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You have the MagSafe regular wireless charging, and then you have your USB-C type wireless charging. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.